Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about LED semaphore indicator. LED semaphore indicators are being used in high tension control panel, electrical control panels, and it is a very critical type of a component because it is being used where the substations are there. In substations, generally the substations are for whether the power supply is going to one city or to the another city. So the panels in the transformer substations are generally very critical control panels, and these control panels has to be on for 365 days. So naturally the components inside the HT control panels or high tension control panel has to be very reliable and rugged. These components has got a specific applications for these high tension panels. In these applications there are indicators. Those indicators indicate whether the supply is going to a particular this city or that city. So it is the indicator. If this indicator fails, you cannot know whether the supply is going to that particular city or not. So these indicators are very critical, which are showing the supply to a particular city. These indicators are called semaphore indicators, and these semaphore indicators previously were mechanical indicators having a coil inside, but in due course 1 or 2 years, due to the dust or any other external physical parameters, those semaphore indicators goes faulty. After that the LED semaphore indicators are introduced, and LED semaphore indicators has got life at least of 50,000 hours. These LED semaphore indicators are manufactured by Mimic, and Mimic semaphore indicators are almost number one in the world, not only in India but in the world, and are manufactured in India. These semaphore indicators are at least having 10 years of life and fail safe, because if you want to change that semaphore indicator in a HT control panel, it is not possible, because if you want to change or touch that control panel anywhere, you have to shut down that panel, and if you want to shut down that panel, that means you have to shut down the city power supply. So it is impossible to shut down. So these semaphore indicators are being selected for very rugged application in 6 months or 8 months of testing, laboratories testing. These are the semaphore indicators having different types, like 22.5 cutout, 30.5 mm cutout, 43 mm cutout, 72 mm cutout, and also are been having a different voltage ranges, that is 24 volt DC, 48 volt DC, 220 volt DC, 250 volt DC. So generally these are in DC voltages, not in AC voltages. And indicators are like red indicator and green indicator. So red indicator shows that the system is live, and green indicators that it is off. And when both are off, that means the power supply to that control panel is off. So this is the basic introduction of LED semaphore indicators. Now I am going to explain you how those works. These are the all types of semaphore indicator, like 22.5 cutout, round bezel, 22.5 cutout, square bezel. This is round bezel, and with test facility 4 connectors are there. 30.5, 43 mm and 72 mm. I will show you how it works. See, this is the first one I have taken. In this I will connect common terminal and a red terminal first. This is the vertical and this is horizontal. These are the two types. Again you can see horizontal and vertical indication. Now I will show you bigger one, that is 72 mm. In this is horizontal and this is vertical. So So these are the only functions of the semaphore indicator. When it is red, it is on, green, it is off. And when both the connections are not given, it is showing no indication.